This tutorial was created by Docsinside. We're a digital platform that helps with Spanish residence applications and more. Let's get started. Type it into the search bar, then open the official government website. Scroll down and click the button to start filling out the form. Select the region where the administrative fee will be paid. Enter your NI number. Enter your first surname and second one if you have it. Enter your name. Select your country of citizenship. Fill in your registered address in Spain. You can use the address shown on your certificate of registration. Also, enter your phone number. Choose the required type of residence from the list provided. Enter the code shown in the image. Click to generate the document. That's it, just print the form and pay it at the bank. That's all for now. We're always here to support you.